Jefferson H. Van Drew is an American politician and dentist serving as the U.S. Representative for New Jersey's 2nd Congressional District since 2019. He is a member of the Republican Party after leaving the Democratic Party in 2020 to oppose their support for the impeachment of President Donald Trump. He served as the New Jersey State Senator from the 1st Legislative District from 2008 to 2018. He represented the same district in the New Jersey General Assembly from 2002 to 2008. Van Drew was the Democratic nominee in New Jersey's 2nd Congressional District in the 2018 election. He was elected with 53% of the vote against Republican nominee Seth Grossman, who received 45% of the vote. On December 19, 2019, Van Drew announced that he would be joining the Republican Party, and he officially did so on January 7, 2020. He is the Republican candidate for the 2020 United States House of Representatives election in New Jersey's 2nd District, in which he will face Democratic candidate Amy Kennedy. Van Drew was born in New York City. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.